Hey y'all, so I just finished my shopping at Ikea and now I'm about to eat my 75-cent hot dog, veggie dog, and my free tea because I'm an Ikea family member. I can't wait to show you guys everything I got and give you some tips on how to shop Ikea the cheapskate way.
IKEA can be a crazy place, and if you don't go in with a budget, it can also be a place that you end up spending way too much money. So, what I do before I even go is I create a budget and a list. As you can see, this is my room, and it's full of IKEA things, most of which I found on the side of the road. That's my trick to furnishing my apartment for cheap. Another resource that I use is Facebook Marketplace. I often go there once I move to fill in the gaps on anything I need. For instance, I bought 2 of these for their stools for $5 on Facebook Marketplace. Usually I think they're like $5 or $6 per each one. I bought that roller cart you saw before for $15. Usually it's like 20 something dollars. And even the drawers you saw under my bed that I found on the side of the road, and I'm just buying the drawers from IKEA that are missing from it to fill it up. So I went to IKEA yesterday and I looked at the price of that drawer and it was like $17 just for the frame plus $5 for each drawer. And I was like, whoa, I really got a deal. And so the trick to getting furniture off the side of the road though is I don't get anything that is porous, like fabric or cushion, anything like that. Like I don't do couches, pillows, blankets, anything like that, because bed bugs. So once I get something off of the street, it goes straight into my bathtub for cleaning, because I can't have any rodent, roach, anything in my apartment. Like I freak out. And so yeah, after I clean it, if I want to paint it, like the dresser you saw before, I found that off the street. It was actually like an exposed wood, and I just bought some white spray paint and removed the knobs and spray painted it down and lined the drawers. And that was like maybe $6 I spent to like make it cute and save me a bunch of money. So if you see anything on the side of the street, inspect it first for anything unusual, and if it's cute, take it home. That's what I always do. So here are some cute things that I recommend you buy from IKEA to help in organizing your space and yeah, keeping everything together. So this bag, I swear by, it's like ginormous. You see it's like half my size. I use it for laundry mostly because I can just fill it up, and I know that once it's full, that's like a $5 load. Also this thing, I just found this thing. I never saw it before. It might be new. It's like really good for underbed storage, especially for like your winter items, so like you're not filling up your closet unnecessarily with things you're not wearing during that season. And this thing is a lifesaver. Don't know what it's called, but I think it's in the home organization area. And I didn't buy this, my friend gave it to me, but I needed it and I didn't even realize I needed it because half of my clothes I don't even dry. I have to air dry it because Like, I don't want it to be messed up, because when I love something, I wear it into the ground until it's like ripped to shreds. And another thing I just bought is this laundry bin. It stands alone by itself and it folds flat, like if you want it to. Right now it's full of laundry, so it won't fold flat. And it's called JALL, Jall. That's with the laundry thingy. And I'm so excited to use it because I've been using the laundry bag to just store it under my bed. But this is like a lot cleaner looking and just easier to separate out my laundry once it's full. Anything else? Oh, behind me, you'll see that thing that is holding all my scarves is this loopy thing. I don't even know what it's called, but it has a bunch of circles. I'll link it down below. And I put all my scarves on it and hats even, and it's super great for organization. It was a little more than I usually spend. It was like $7, and I might have been able to get it at like Dollar Tree or Five Below or something like that, but I needed it then, so I just got it. So my big thing is that before I even go to Ikea, I go on their website and they'll tell you what's already for sale. And if it's for sale, it's highlighted like yellow and orange. And that actually might be a price that only people with the family card can get. So I suggest you get the family card because it is wonderful. Every time you go, you get a free coffee or tea, and you get super cheap prices with it. And yeah, they give you a coupon for your birthday sometimes, which I love coupons, so I'm down. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you get some tips to make your apartment cute and clutter free. And next time the end of the month rolls around, because that's the best time to go and grab things off of the street furniture wise, because people get desperate to empty their apartments before the 1st, so they're just like, whatever. Last time I got brand new pans, like state-of-the-art pans with tops, some kitchen utensils, that dresser back there, and these drawers right here that I've been talking about. Yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff. I furnished half my room off of people generously throwing their things away. And yeah, I got tired of spending money, so this is the better way for me. Do it if you like. If you're squeamish, just keep it moving. Go to Ikea. All right, well, that's it. Let me know some cheap tips to furnish your apartment that you might know. Maybe I don't know them. And let me know what you think about this video below. Bye.